Welcome back. We're minutes away from the closing bell, and stocks are still in rally mode. Yahoo Finance's own Jared Blikre has more on today's trading action. Jared.
That's right. I'm looking at the Wi-Fi Interactive, and the Nasdaq is up 3.5% thereabouts, and we are at the upper end of the trading range, really holding on to those gains into the close. Well, I want to give us some eye candy here because it's looking nice today in the Nasdaq 100. The beaten down mega caps surging. We have Alphabet up almost 5%, Microsoft up over 4%, Apple up over 3%, and Nvidia up nearly 7%. So really seeing the love here for not only tech, not only financials, materials, consumer discretionary, also communication services. All of those sectors nearly up to 3% or even more. You can see to the downside, only energy down, that's now down 3%. And that has to do with the dramatic drop in crude oil due to some rumors about Iraq and UAE increasing supply, as well as a potential development in the Russia-Ukraine off about 1 hour ago on this board, and I want to go through the top line. We have a lot of these, I would call them sectors or industry groups, really attracting some money. These are the most beaten down ones that we've seen to date. IPOs, gambling, ARK Innovation Fund components, KWEB, that's a Chinese ETF, software, U.S. internet, momentum stocks, and also Korean stocks. That's an important bellwether as well. All of those up more than 3%. You look at the travel sector, that is jumping. Carnival Cruise Lines up 8%. United Airlines also up 8%. Chinese stocks, we know the troubles they've had over the last basically 2 years, very much in the green. Here are those ARK components, seeing a lot of green there. The only place we're not really seeing it, it's going to be in the futures market and also energy. So let's take a quick look at this board here. We have Exxon Mobil down 5%, but if you want to know what's been green all year long, just take a look at this. Exxon up 35%, Chevron up 41%, so don't cry for them just now. Do want to check out that futures board as well, because we are seeing some dramatic movements. Heating oil now down 20%. I want to get a year-to-date look on that, and we can see this huge candle here. So this is accounting for some of the weakness that we're seeing in the dollar and also materials, but for the most part, everything really flying today. So I do want to go over some of our meme stocks. We haven't hit these recently because they haven't really been moving to the positive side, but we have GameStop and AMC each up 2%, Robinhood up 5%. Some of the old names that we've talked about, Hertz Rent-A-Car up 7%. So really just seeing a lot of these names flying right now.